Hey mamas and daddies, today I am going to share 6 activities for brain development. This video is going to be in 2 parts, part 1 and part 2, to avoid making it too long. Please go through both the parts. First 1000 days of life are very crucial regarding brain development in child. At birth, average baby's brain is a quarter size of average adult's brain. Incredibly, it doubles in size by the age of 1 year and it keeps growing by 80% by the age of 2. You can counter question why we need to do brain development activities. If we provide good nutrition to child will automatically grow in size, weight, length, in head circumference. According to the Center of Developing Child at Harvard University, early experience of child's life affect the quality of brain architecture by establishing either steady or fragile foundation for all the learnings, health and behavior that follows. Just as a weak foundation compromise the quality and strength of the house, adverse experience early in life can impair brain architecture with negative effects lasting into adulthood. How you can support baby's brain development. Interact with baby and help them to understand their surrounding. This will help baby to understand link between their actions and consequences. While playing with baby, make sure you look into their eyes and interact. Frequently speak with your child in clear and soft tone.
What happened? What happened? Tell me.
This will help baby to imitate sounds, mouth movements. This will help baby to learn to speak soon. Encourage your baby's language development by initiating conversation. Give your child time to respond to your question.
You want to play? What? Nice. You want to have fun?
FaceTime. Go very close to your baby, around 10 to 12 inches, and let baby study and observe your face. Let baby focus on the parts of your face, on your features. By doing this activity, baby familiarize themselves with you. Latest study shows babies begin to recognize and distinguish your face long before they can distinguish different patterns and shapes. This activity stimulates part of their brains which are associated with visual experience and their perceptual abilities. Peaceful sleep. You might think sleep is not activity, but sleep is as crucial as proper nutrition in supporting your baby's brain development. A Canadian study of toddlers found children who got the most sleep were better at functions and skills, including the abilities of paying attention, set goals, stay on task. So, let your baby sleep uninterrupted. Gaining spatial awareness. You can simply encourage your baby by allowing them stretch on blanket or mat. Give them uninterrupted time to recognize their hands, their feet, and the way their legs and their hands moves. This will help them to develop neural pathway necessary for control movement. Recognizing spatial concept like distance. Narrate the day. Show your baby different rooms in your home. Talk to them about what they are doing, what they are seeing. Talk to them while giving them bath. Explain what is there in washroom. Talk to them when you are feeding them. Read stories when they are going to sleep and let them listen all the sounds in the surrounding. All these activities have shown increased child's IQ and vocabulary range as they grow old. Black and white high contrast cards and toys. Research suggests that babies can only see black and white and colors of grey until the first few months after birth. Black and white infants stimulation cards and toys are one of the most effective ways to stimulate the vision of babies. High contrast images are easier for babies to interpret. They are a good way to increase their attention span, memory, their nervous system. It is also beneficial in terms of social development. For black and white and high contrast flashcards and toys, I have shared link in the description. Useful tip: if child is looking away from you, rubbing eyes, yawning, child is already overstimulated. Please stop. See you soon with part 2 of brain development activities. Lot of love to parents and their babies.